They're everywhere, in toolboxes, on workbenches, in your hands every single day. Hand and power tools make work faster and easier. But one wrong move, one damaged tool, or one moment of inattention can cause serious, life-changing injuries. That's why tool safety awareness is not optional, it's essential. Welcome to the Hand and Power Tool Safety Online Training Course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a practical, real-world course designed to help workers recognize tool-related hazards and use tools safely and correctly. In just 28 minutes, this course builds the awareness needed to prevent cuts, crush injuries, electric shock, burns, and other common tool-related accidents. Inside this course, you'll learn why everyday tools are responsible for so many workplace injuries and how most of those injuries are preventable. You'll gain insight into common hazards associated with hand tools, such as striking, cutting, prying, digging, and tightening, and why using damaged or improvised tools dramatically increases risk. The training explains how power tools introduce additional dangers, including electrical hazards, flying debris, kickback, and unintentional startup, and why guards, maintenance, and proper handling are critical. You'll also learn why personal protective equipment, correct tool selection, secure work positioning, and good housekeeping play a major role in preventing injuries. Most importantly, the course reinforces one key principle: the right tool, used the right way, at the right time, keeps workers safe. Tool-related injuries happen fast, and recovery can take months or longer. This course helps you recognize hand and power tool hazards early, prevent cuts, fractures, and crush injuries, reduce electrical and mechanical risks, improve confidence and consistency on the job. Support: OSHA-aligned safe work practices. Safe tools mean safe hands and safe workers. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, demonstrating your understanding of hand and power tool safety and your commitment to workplace safety. Reduce hand and power tool injuries, improve job site safety, and protect workers with fast, effective OSHA-aligned tool safety training. Enroll today with OSHA Outreach Courses and take control of hand and power tool safety before a small mistake becomes a serious injury.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.